How to fix order history on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Play Store. Like from here, you have to install. Just click on the Messenger app here, and you can see your Messenger app will open in front of you. Now you can see or you can fix your order history on Facebook Messenger. If you have forget any of the orders, or if you forget which orders you have ordered, or which things you have ordered on Facebook Messenger, click on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. Click on this gear option which appear near your profile, and you can see different options here. By scrolling this, there is an option of orders. Before clicking on, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You can see here order history. You don't have any order yet. You will see the order history on Facebook Messenger from here. Allow for orders and appointments. You can turn on and off when you have allowed orders on Facebook Messenger. Thank you so much. This is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.